Hi, I'm David and welcome back to Baking Unafraid. I am so excited to share with you the cake that I made this week. You may have already seen the rabbit cake on my Instagram. If you haven't, go follow. It's a really easy cake. Anyone can do it. My tip for decorating cakes is to have an offset spatula. It's really nice because it has this little groove right in here, so you can really control the spatula when you're decorating and make sure you get all those holes and fill in all those spaces. Like I said, this is a fun decoration. It's super cute. Everyone would love it on Easter. If you send me a picture of your rabbit cake, I'll go ahead and feature it on my Baking Unafraid Instagram. I can't wait to see all your rabbits. Make sure to like and subscribe. Keep baking unafraid and be you.